Hello everyone, I hope you're doing over the top spectacular. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. Today I'll be taking us on a tour of a single-story home in sought after Gilbert, Arizona. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, is over 2,000 square feet, and has a backyard to die for. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team here in the Valley of the Sun, and we would be honored to help with all of your real estate needs, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, downsizing, you name it, we do it. My contact information is located in the description. Just reach out to me, leave a comment, call me, text me, email me, send a carrier pigeon, or Pony Express. We still have that here in Arizona. Okay, let's get on with the tour. Enjoy. I'll pop in to see how you're doing. That pool, right? You could almost see yourself enjoying it. Plus, the Spectrum community has so many amenities. There's a clubhouse, walking and biking trails, tennis courts, playgrounds. It's close to everything: shopping, hospitals, dining, highway access. Can't go wrong. Set up a private tour, see the property for yourself, because this video, well,
It's over.